Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. My name is Sonali. Let's begin with previous day practice question first. Question was the word wormhole, which was in the news recently, is related to an asteroid, tunnel between two black holes or other points in space-time, a type of black hole, or a satellite. The correct answer is option B, tunnel between two black holes or other points in space-time. Wormhole is a tunnel-like structure between two black holes or other points in space-time, hence option B is correct. An object can travel from one end of space to the other in a short time inside a wormhole. It is believed that one object entering from one end of the wormhole exits into another part of the universe. The existence of wormholes was predicted by Ludwig Flamm in 1916. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, a resolution to remove the vice president can be moved in which of the following? Lok Sabha, either house of the parliament, a joint session of the parliament, or Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option D, Rajya Sabha. Election for the post of Vice President of India is scheduled to be held on 6th August 2022. The post of Vice President is in the headlines due to the scheduled election. The term of office of the Vice President is 5 years. However, the Vice President can also be removed from his office. For this purpose, it is mandatory to serve at least 14 days prior notice to the effect that a resolution for the removal of the Vice President is going to be presented in Rajya Sabha. Such a resolution can be moved only in the Rajya Sabha. Hence, option D is correct. The resolution may be based on any such reason as the Rajya Sabha deems fit. Next question is, consider the following statements with reference to Surya Mitra Skill Development Program or SSDP. 1. It aims to develop skills of youth in the field of solar energy. 2. National Institute of Solar Energy, that is NISE, is the nodal agency for this program. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, the Minister of State for New and Renewable Energy, the Rajya Sabha, about the Surya Mitra Skill Development Program. As per the provided information, about 51,331 candidates have benefited from the skill development training imparted under Surya Mitra program till June 2022. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is implementing Surya Mitra Skill Development Program from the financial year 2015 to 16 through National Institute of Solar Energy, Gurugram. It aims to train youth above 18 years of age to set up, operate and maintain a solar power project. It is a residential skill development program of about 600 hours. Hence, statement 1 is correct. National Institute of Solar Energy, that is NISE, is the nodal agency for this program. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. Persons with higher qualifications like degree in any discipline are not eligible for this program. Next question is, the International Space Station is jointly operated by the space agencies of which of the following countries? 1. Europe, 2. Japan, 3. China, 4. Canada. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? 1, 2 and 3 only, 1, 3 and 4 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, or 1, 2 and 4 only? The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 4 only. Recently, Russia has announced to opt out of the International Space Station, that is ISS, by 2024. The first part of the ISS was launched on 20th November 1998. It is used to conduct scientific research in zero gravity and test equipment for future space travel. It is located in low Earth orbit at a height of about 420 kilometers from Earth. It is jointly operated by the space agencies of Russia, the US, Europe, Japan and Canada. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, Innovation for Defense Excellence, that is IDEX project, aims to encourage investment in the defense sector, development of new submarines, provide platform for development of defense and aerospace technology to startups, or manufacture fighter planes in India. The correct answer is option C, provide platform for development of defense and aerospace technology to startups. Recently, the Ministry of Defense under the IDEX initiative has signed its 100th contract with a firm for defense innovation. Innovation for Defense Excellence, that is IDEX, is a flagship initiative of the Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, that is MOD, for technological innovation. It was launched in April 2018. It aims to provide platform for the development of defense and aerospace technology to startups. Hence, option C is correct. IDEX is funded and managed by the Defense Innovation Organization, that is DIO. Next question is, consider the following statements with reference to corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. 1. CSR is regulated under the Companies Act 2013 in India. 2. India became the first country in the world to make CSR mandatory in April 2015. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Recently, the central government has issued a circular regarding the expenditure on Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. The campaign is being organized by the government as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Now, companies can use their corporate social responsibility, that is CSR funds, for activities related to Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. CSR in India is regulated under the Companies Act 2013. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Under the Companies Act 2013, it is mandatory to make a contribution of 2% of the average profit of the companies for the last 3 years as CSR. India became the first country in the world to make CSR mandatory in April 2014 after amending the Companies Act 2013. Hence, statement 2 is wrong. Next question is, consider the following statements with reference to Defense Acquisition Council, that is DAC. 1. It was established in 2011. 2. It is headed by the Secretary of Defense. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. That is, both the statements are incorrect. Recently, the Defense Acquisition Council, that is DAC, has approved proposals for weapons procurement of Rs 28,732 crore for the Indian Army. The weapons to be procured include swarm drones, carbines and bulletproof jackets, etc. These weapons will be indigenously designed, developed and manufactured under the IDDM category to promote self-reliance in the defense sector. DAC was established in 2001, hence statement 1 is wrong. It aims to ensure prompt procurement of the approved weapon requirements of the armed forces. It is headed by the Defense Minister, hence statement 2 is also wrong. Next question is, consider the following statements with reference to Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. 1. This act was passed in 2002. 2. Enforcement Directorate, that is ED, is the agency for investigation of offences under PMLA. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. That is, both the statements are correct. Recently, the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutional validity of certain provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. PMLA was passed in 2002, hence statement 1 is correct. This act mainly aims to take appropriate action against the persons involved in money laundering. Enforcement Directorate, that is ED, is the agency responsible for investigating crimes related to money laundering under PMLA. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. Enforcement Directorate, that is ED, is a specialized financial investigation agency under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Next question is, consider the names of the following books. 1. Wings of Fire. 2. Ignited Minds. 3. Challenges Before the Nation. Which of the above books are authored by APJ Abdul Kalam? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? The correct answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India, on his death anniversary through a tweet. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Tamil Muslim family of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His full name was Awul Pakir Janulabdin Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was conferred the title Missile Man of India for his works on the development of launch vehicles and ballistic missile technology. Some of his major books are Ignited Minds, Wings of Fire, The Luminous Sparks, etc. However, Challenges Before the Nation is a book written by former President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, under which ministry does the Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, work? Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, Prime Minister's Office, or none of these? The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated all the personnel of the Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, on the CRPF Foundation Day. CRPF came into existence as the Crown Representatives Police on 27 July 1939. It became the Central Reserve Police Force on 28 December 1949 with the enactment of the CRPF Act. The then Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had envisioned a multifaceted role for CRPF in accordance with the changing needs of the newly independent nation. CRPF is the largest central armed police force of India. It works under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Hence, option B is correct. Last question is, Kaveri River does not pass through which of the following state? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or none of these? The correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Recently, the Karnataka government has presented its stand in the Supreme Court on the objections made by Tamil Nadu on the plans of constructing a reservoir at Mekedatu across Kaveri. Kaveri, known as Ponni in Tamil, is the fourth largest river in South India. It originates from the Brahmagiri hills of the Western Ghats. It flows into Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and falls into the Bay of Bengal. Hence, option A is correct. The Kaveri basin is spread over an area of 81,155 square kilometers in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry. Compact Reconnaissance Imaging Spectrometers for Mars, that is CRISP, is related to which of the following? NASA, ISRO, Roscosmos, or JAXA? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.